do hair. And go check them out. Tariana. Welcome to the chat, y'all. Go check them out. But my package came, so we can ready to open my package up and see what we got in here, y'all. Let's see what Boss Lady done got me. Let's see what she got me. What's up, Diamond? I love you, Boss Lady. I appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's open her up. Thank you, friend. All right, y'all. Okay, we love a nice bag, you know. Let's open her up. Okay, so I have the 18-inch Styling Straight. What's up, Kathleen? What's up, girl? What you been at? Okay, so here she is out the package. Okay. Here she is out the package in all her glory. You see that? All her glory. Here she is out the package, baby. Get into that bounce. Bounce. Y'all, when I take these braids out, she's going in this wig. Listen, can we just get into the 13 by 4 closure? Can we get into that? Like, get into that. Like, come on now. Hell yeah. And I'm thinking when I do install this, I think I want to do like that 70s, 80s, like Farrah Fawcett cut. About to eat them up. Listen, come on, listen. Her with some cuts and some color. Yeah, let's get into her. Okay, so we're gonna set her there for a second. Let's go back over with everything else is inside the bag. Okay, so in the bag, you do get, not only do you get your wig, she also gives you a kit. And then she put a pair of nails in here for me. These nails are pretty. I like these. These are cute. Thank you, Dom. Thank you, Boss Lady. Thank you, Diamond, Boss Lady. Appreciate you so much. Love you real bad. Alexa, pause. So let's just review her one more time. This is in 18-inch and this is straight. But you can also curl it because this is 100% human hair. None of that blend. This is all human, okay? So yes, you can color it. And baby, you set to go. And the thing I like about this too is that you already get some pre-existing baby hairs in here that you can customize yourself. You don't have to make your own baby hairs. And the lace itself is thin. It ain't that hard, bulky. Like, it's really nice. Like, I really love this wig, y'all. I definitely want to see if I can put it on and see how it's going to look over my braids. Let me see. Let's see what she's giving over the braids. Let's see if we can put her on over the braids. Let's see if we can put her on over the braids. Okay, I think we might be in business. Hold on. Let's see if I could tuck some of my braids down just so we can get like a feel. Okay. Listen. And I don't even have it all the way on because of course y'all know I got braids in. So I just wanted to try to see like if I can like picture it. Hell yeah. Yes. We here for it. We are here for it. Yes. She is really beautiful. Like, I'm thinking of like coloring her, but when I color her, I want to do all types of like blondes and browns that are like brown girl friendly. But I also want to like cut it up a little bit, give it that fringy look, but also add some Farrah Fawcett bouncy curls in it. It's gonna be fire, y'all. I already have a vision for my wig, y'all. Listen, I haven't even had these braids in for a month yet. I haven't even had them in for like a good 3 weeks yet. It's only been about maybe like 2 weeks. I can't wait till these come out now because I want to put her in so bad. She's so pretty. I want to put her on so bad. But we're going to put her on. We're going to put her on. As soon as we are done with these braids, baby, she's going on. I'm going to go to the shop. I'm going to get this thing colored and customized. And we're going to rock her out. Period. But yeah, that's the video, y'all. I just wanted to just go over me open up my package for dBadu Hair. And as I stated before, I am the brand ambassador for dBadu Hair. So you can go ahead over to the website and use code Betty Chocolate at checkout and save yourself some money at the end of your purchase, okay? Everybody like to save a coin, okay? So just go ahead and go save a coin. And go ahead, while you're saving a coin, you're putting a coin in your girl packet, okay? We love that over here. So we appreciate you, and thank you so much for even tuning in. I really appreciate y'all. And until next time, I will see y'all later. But as I stated before, my name is Kia, and I go by Betty Chocolate, and I am the brand ambassador for dBadu Hair. I did go ahead, I just did a whole review for the hair. It was an 18-inch straight bust down, okay? Gorgeous. Can't wait to try her on. Can't wait. So as soon as I am done with these braids, my bust down is going on, and we gonna rock out. Period. But I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all, and I will see y'all next time.